Okay, children. So normally upstream and downstream. Upstream means water is coming like this, boat is going like this. So normally we will take x minus. Downstream means water and boat are going in same direction, x plus y. This is always boat, this is always water. This is always boat, this is always water. Remember, x minus y, because boat has to go with more velocity than water. If not, it can't go up, it will also come down. So upstream means x minus y, and downstream means x plus y. A boat goes 32 kilometer upstream and 36 kilometers downstream in 7 hours. This is one parameter, and it covers 40 kilometers upstream, okay, and 48 kilometers downstream. 48 kilometers downstream in 9 hours. 9 hours. Okay, children, find the speed of boat and speed of the stream. Both questions are. Children, find the speed of the boat and speed of the stream. Okay, children. In the first question, so time of upstream plus time of downstream in the first case is 7. In the second case, time of upstream plus time of downstream is 9 hours. Time is what, children? Distance by speed. Distance is 32 by x minus y. Distance is 36 by x plus y is equal to 7. Again, distance is 40 by x minus y. Distance is 48 by x plus y is equal to 9. Okay, children? Now, 1 by x minus y, what will take, children? A. 1 by x plus y, what will take?
B.
B. So, 32a plus 36b is equal to 7. 40a plus 48b is equal to 9. Okay, children? So, now what? Okay, now let's solve that equation, children. We'll get A and B. After getting A and B, then we will solve the solve. After getting A and B, then we will solve for x and y. Okay, so how I'm solving it? 32 and 40 is there, 36 and 48 is there. 32 will do into 5, 34 is 40 will do into 4. This will be 160, and 5 to that, this will also will become 160. So if I multiply this whole equation with 5, so if I multiply the whole equation with 5, 160a plus 5 6 is 30, 180b is equal to 35. I can multiply with 4. 160a plus 4 is 32, 192b is equal to 4 9 is 36. Minus, 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 this is gone. How much, children? This is minus 12b, no? This is minus 12b. This is minus 12b is
Minus
equal to
1.
minus 1. So b is equal to minus 1 by
1 by
12,
2.
minus 1 by 2. Okay, so once you got b, you can find out a
Sir,
also.
minus minus cancel, no, sir. So B will be plus 1 by 2.
Oh, yeah, yeah, sorry. Minus minus cancel, b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now similarly, children, substitute any one of the equation, either this. Any small equation will substitute. Here I will substitute. Here if I substitute, I'll get a also. 32a plus 36 into 1 by 12 is equal to 7. 12 3 are. So 32a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 by 32, that is 1 by 8. I got a and b. But what is b, children? 1 by?
1 by x plus y.
What is a, children?
1 by x minus y.
Here 1 by x minus y. So children, x minus y is 8. X minus y is equal to 8. And what is x plus y, children? 12. X plus y is 2. X plus y is 12. X minus y is 8. Plus y minus x cancel, children. So 2x is equal to 20. If 2x is equal to 20, x is equal to 10 kmph is the speed of boat. Okay, now substitute, children. So 10 minus y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 2 kmph is the speed of water. I mean, it's a stream or water. Everything is stream of water. Stream or water. This is the speed of boat, and this is the speed. Speed of boat should be always high, because in upstream, what is coming down, it has to go up. If speed of water is less than water, it will come down. Speed of boat is always more, and speed of water is always less. That is upstream and downstream. Do not forget that x minus y and x plus y you have to take, children. X minus y and x plus y. And if you write properly all the things, you will get easily, children. But you should do very well.